The next section, we've invited various well-known respected physicians who've become chief medical officers of large medtech device companies, deservingly so. I think for a lot of physicians who are just coming out of training or in practice, we look up to these folks as those that have done it right or made it or have earned the respect and therefore are able to give guidance to these companies.
You know, I think one of the things that's important to realize if anyone does have an interest in transitioning in industry, it's not like putting your feet up on a desk and retiring away from your medical practice because you, like Ray, get a little bit older. It's a lot of hard work. I mean, you know, and it also depends on both the size of the company and your role within that company.